So I called Bernard up and I said, look, I'd like you to come out here and look at this table. I want to actually have it inlaid. I'm not talking about a little inlay, I'm talking about the whole top and the legs, the whole 9 yards. So I did a very rudimentary drawing. And then Kristen looks at it, lays it out, does an engineered drawing. It was perfect and sent me the drawing. And I said, yeah, that's what I want. Here we talked about what kind of, it was a 3-part inlay, you know, it was maple and walnut and ebony. And then I said, yeah, and I want diamonds here, and I want to redo the legs because the legs that were on the table were laminated, 3 pieces of wood together with a veneer around it. I said, I want solid oak legs, and I want them done like this, and I want them inlaid. And And I mean, that project was probably 100 man hours of Kristen's time, but it came out gorgeous. I've been a customer of Mumford's for probably 3 years. And, you know, I've done 6 really, really substantial projects. And every one of them have been fantastic.